Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO Reno8 Z. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first method is a simple reboot using the power menu, and second is a forced restart. Let's begin with the reboot through the power menu. To do it, we need to click the power button and the volume up button. Now simply drag this white ball into the restart, release your finger, and after a few seconds the device will be turned on and ready to use. The forced restart is recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive, when it's lagged, basically when it's not working properly, and when we cannot do anything. To perform a forced restart, we need to hold the power button and volume up button until the phone shuts down. So we need to keep holding both of the buttons. Okay, and when the phone vibrates, we can release our finger, and within a second the device will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.